Ready to upgrade your travel game? In 2025, checked luggage is tougher, smarter, and more spacious than ever. Stick around as we reveal the top suitcases that make every trip smoother, no matter how far you roam. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like or dislike, and let us know in the comments, which one would you trust for your next adventure? Let's get started. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite 29-inch Expandable Spinner. Our top pick, the Travelpro Platinum Elite 29-inch Expandable Spinner, stands out for its premium feel and smart design. With a huge 143.5-liter capacity, it's perfect for long trips and heavy packers. The front-opening main compartment makes packing and unpacking easy. No more clothes spilling out. Inside, you get a removable toiletry bag, optional packing cubes, and 2 inches of expansion for souvenirs. The telescopic handle and spinner wheels make it surprisingly agile for a big bag, and high-end touches like TSA lock. Compatible zippers and a garment bag seal the deal. If you want a suitcase that's easy to pack, easy to steer, and built to last, the Platinum Elite 29-inch is our top recommendation. Number 2. Briggs Riley Simpatico Large Expandable Spinner. If you prefer hardshell luggage, the Briggs Riley Simpatico Large Expandable Spinner is a top choice. Its polycarbonate shell is tough and scratch-resistant, surviving our test with barely a mark. Inside, you get a roomy 147.5-liter compartment with zippered pouches and mesh compression panels to keep everything organized. The spinner wheels roll smoothly, and the off-center carry handles make it comfortable to lift and carry. The handle can feel a bit wobbly on tight corners, but overall this is a stylish, strong, and thoughtfully designed suitcase for travelers who want durability and refined looks. Number 3. Tumi Alpha 3 Extended Trip Expandable 4-Wheeled Packing Case. Luxury brand Tumi delivers with the Alpha 3 Extended Trip Expandable Packing Case. This 126-liter suitcase is all about quality, from its sleek exterior to its well-organized interior. The spinner wheels are smooth and quiet, and the sturdy handle feels dependable. Inside, you'll find a garment bag, mesh pockets, and compression flaps to keep clothes secure and wrinkle-free. The 20-80 split design makes packing easier than most 50-50 split bags. It's not quite as spacious or agile as our top pick, but if you want a premium, long-lasting suitcase with great organization, the Tumi Alpha 3 is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Travelpro Platinum Elite Large Check-In Expandable Hardside Spinner. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Hardside Spinner is a tough, durable option for travelers who want hard shell protection. Its polycarbonate exterior shrugged off scratches and even a hammer strike in our tests. Inside, you get a 108-liter capacity, a bit smaller than some rivals, but still enough for several days' worth of clothes. The spinner wheels handle well, but the carry handles and extendable handle aren't as comfortable or sturdy as the soft-sided Platinum Elite. If you want solid durability and smooth rolling, this is a good pick. Just know you'll sacrifice a bit of storage and comfort. Number 5. Samsonite Voltage DLX Large Spinner. The Samsonite Voltage DL X Large Spinner is all about style, with bold color options that stand out on any luggage carousel. It features a TSA-approved zipper lock, mesh divider, and compression straps for organization. But in our tests, the handles were uncomfortable, and the extendable handle felt flimsy. The exterior also scratched easily, so durability is a concern. If you want a suitcase that looks great and keeps clothes organized, it's worth considering. But for comfort and toughness, there are better options on this list. So, which checked luggage is the best in 2025? Our top pick is the Briggs Riley Simpatico Large Expandable Spinner, offering durability, smart design, and effortless packing. It's the ultimate choice for travelers who want reliability and style. Which suitcase would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more travel gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and safe travels!